Good morning, good evening, friends. Welcome to my channel. So, guys, today I wanted to wash my toilet, and as you can see, there is a morning fresh. It is a powder. I normally use it to clean my toilet, and that one is a scrubber. Guys, this thing does magics. As you can see, I am now scrubbing my toilet, and guys, do not judge me. I wash my toilet with my bare hands because it's my toilet. I'm the one who use it. Yeah, so there is no need to use gloves. Okay, I don't have gloves, but if I had, I would have used it. But because I don't have, it doesn't mean that now I'm not supposed to wash my toilet. Yeah, so I'm scrubbing my toilet, and guys, this scrubber is a game changer. Those people who are in Kenya, they know the work of this scrubber. Okay, it is used in so many ways. You can use it to scrub your sufurias, your pots, but also you can use it in scrubbing your what, also your toilet, your bathroom, and that is why I am using it. Guys, it is a game changer because this thing does miracle. Like, after you have scrubbed surface with it, it does wonders, guys. So I decided that I was going to scrub my bathroom because I normally use it to scrub my bathroom, and the end result, guys, is always amazing. Yeah, so as you can see, guys, that is me. So let's clean together, guys. So guys, as you can see, I was busy cleaning my toilet, and guys, this is the part I love the most. I really love cleaning my toilet because I really don't want anything like infection to my kids. Yeah, I am mama girls, so I really don't like my daughters scratching their bum and having all that pain. So I really take my time scratching and washing and scrubbing my toilet, because my little girl, when she goes to the toilet, what she does is she touches everywhere, all the surface. So just imagine if the toilet is dirty, what are you going to do? Like, she will come out of the toilet and she will diarrhea, she will be sick, she will get sick. So as a woman, as a parent, the only gift that you can give to your family is to make sure that when they sleep, the place where they sleep is clean, the place where the toilet, the bathroom where they do their things, it's very clean. So as you can see, guys, this is my floor, the floor. And guys, these tiles are always slippery. If you don't clean them thoroughly, they are very, very slippery. You can end up falling inside your toilet and hurting yourself. Yeah, you might hurt your back, you might also hurt your neck, your legs. Yeah, so you have to be very, very careful with these tiles. And the only thing that you can only do to make sure that your tiles are always clean and they are not slippery is to make sure that you scrub them. Scrub your bathroom. Make sure that your bathroom is ever sparkling clean, so that when you enter that bathroom, you are not going to get out with infection, or you are not going to fear like maybe you will fall. So many people, they have this habit of not thoroughly scrubbing their bathroom, and they end up falling inside the bathroom because of that slippery. These bathing soaps that we normally use, they have a lot of foam, and if that foam keeps on, it keeps on foaming and foaming and foaming, and it piles up, and now it becomes very bad and slippery. So one day you enter into your bathroom and you find yourself, boom, you are down, and now it is going to be very bad because you might hurt yourself, you might break your back, And yeah, so it is good as a woman to do this work, because there is no one else who will do it. Your husband will not do it for you, and maybe if they are around they can, but it is your it is your job, like it's your work, to make sure that every time you enter your bathroom is clean. Just make sure that your bathroom is clean and there is no stain in your bathroom that might make you fall sick or have infection. And as women, we are we are very delicate, because yeah, we can get infection anytime, like we are always open. So yeah, make sure that your bathroom is clean. So at this point I am scrubbing my bathroom, the walls and the tiles, the floor, everywhere, to make sure that my bathroom is sparkling clean. And I do this like almost every day. If I do it today, maybe when tomorrow I'm busy, I do it the next day. So that is why you can see me doing this. And I know so many people are going to judge me why I'm not using the gloves. I don't have gloves, but I really do it like this. After that, then I just wash my hands. I've never gotten sick from using my bare hands to scrub my toilet, yeah, or my bathroom. So guys, as a woman, as a lady, whether you're staying alone, whether you're staying with your family, make sure that your bathroom is sparkling clean. Yeah. So guys, let's do this together. As I hope guys you're enjoying these videos. And you see the part that I am scrubbing, guys, that part is always slippery, very very slippery, because that is the place whereby you stand when you're bathing. So that place is very very slippery. If you don't scrub it well, you might end up breaking your back. Yeah, so after scrubbing with that scrubber, I now took the that scrubber that normally wash the inside the toilet, and now it is now time to make sure to scrub it well. Now let's do it, guys. So guys, I'm done. I'm rinsing now my floor, my bathroom floor and my toilet. Guys, you see how sparkling that toilet or that bathroom floor. Now it was time for me to rinse it. I am making sure that every foam that I have used is rinsed off, so that yes, now you see the end result. Guys, let us be clean. Let us be clean. Even when a visitor visits you and they enter your bathroom, like they will just feel everything is just clean. Don't wait until you have a lot of money to buy the toilet detergent, you have all of them. No, just use the one that you have. That one that you have, just use it. Look at how my toilet looks. Is it not clean, guys? Is it not clean that when you come? Oh, thank you.